Introducing the S3 brake caliper, designed to be efficient and improve stopping power. This caliper features two 25mm pistons, improving braking performance by increasing surface contact between the brake pads and rotors. The overall increase in braking performance will give you excellent control over your machine. The single-piece monoblock design ensures the caliper to stay rigid during hard braking, maintaining the efficiency as it increases the durability and stability. S3 brake caliper went through anodization process, giving it exceptional resistance to corrosion and abrasion. Brake pads are included, and the built-in steel bracket ensures the durability of attachment, while making the installation of this caliper to be quick and easy. Suitable for medium and large size rotors, S3 brake caliper will give you the confidence you need on the road.